cocoa aminos, garlic, and chicken breast. That's it. No gatekeeping. This is adobo made easy, but still legendary. Hey foodies! Welcome back to Ate's American Kitchen, and today we are going to cook one of the most iconic Filipino dishes, chicken adobo. But instead of soy sauce, I am using cocoa aminos for a healthy twist. But trust me, it's full packed with flavor. Here's what you'll need: chicken breast, cocoa aminos, vinegar, olive oil, garlic, onion, honey, black pepper, bay leaves. This is optional, we prefer not to have them. That's it, the pantry heroes. And yes, I use boneless chicken breast. Don't tell my American husband, okay? He's a choking hazard. Heat some olive oil, then saute your garlic and onion until soft and fragrant. This is the smell that makes the neighbors jealous. Add in your chicken breast that was cut into big chunks or strips. Now pour in the cocoa aminos, vinegar, a little honey, and drop in the bay leaves and pepper. No need to marinate, just let the pan do the work. Time to let that magic happen. Cover your pan and simmer on low for about 20 to 25 minutes. Don't rush it. This is where the sauce thickens. The chicken soaks in all that flavor. And your kitchen starts to smell legit pang ulam. No need to add water. The steam and chicken juices do all the work. And here's a little twist. If you want to add a touch of sweetness and brightness, toss in some pineapple chunks near the end. Totally optional but totally masarap. Okay, chicken is juicy, the sauce is garlicky, sweet, savory, and this is life-changing. It's giving comfort food, it's giving, I know how to cook without even trying. Here are some of the most common questions I see about this dish. Can I use soy sauce instead of cocoa aminos? Yes, of course you can. Just adjust the salt. Cocoa aminos are sweeter and lower in sodium. Can I use thighs instead of breast? Yes, thighs taste juicier, but breast works great for this fast version. Is honey required? No, but it balances the vinegar. You can skip or swap for brown sugar. If you made it this far, thank you foodies. Click like, comment, and subscribe for more easy dishes made with love. And if you're in the mood for another treat, watch next!